In your room?
Yeah.
Kamu pas de kontrakan? What?
Hindi ba?
In your room?
Yeah.
Un paso de motor para mí. No, para ver. Hindi mo, kasi sa akin like hindi.
They call all devotees, right there. So, continue. We also discuss Patkatha. Huh? You wrote nothing. What did you write? What did I say? This morning. You remember it? Working? What did you don't write? The Arati finished? No.
They're offering.
Hurry. Just a little bit. Quick. Not more than 10 minutes. Oh. Anishtita bhajan, 6 types of anishtita bhajan. उत्साहमयी घनतरला बूढ़ो विकल्पा और है Actually, morning I drink 2 liters water.
Ah, okay.
Huh?
Yeah, obrigada.
श्रद्धा साधु संग और भजन क्रिया अनर्थ निवृत्ति निश्चिता भजन. We are actually discuss about anartha viddhi, then bhajana kriya. 2 kinds of bhajana kriya. One is called nishtita bhajan, another is called anishtita bhajan. Anishtita bhajan also 6 types. That is called utsamai, ganatarala, buddha vikalpa, and नियमक्षमा और विषय संखरा और तरंगरुमेरी. We discuss in 2-3 days. We discuss this thing. Then anartha nivritti coming. Anartha means which is no need. No artha iti anartha. Artha means prayojan, need. Or anartha means unneed. Jiva's artha means he is a Krishna prem. Except Krishna prem, other things are actually, that is called unwanted. But how to get the Krishna prem? When we free from all kinds of unwanted things. If our heart full of anarthas, we cannot receive the Krishna prem. Understand? So remember, artha, another is called anartha. Artha means need. What is the need of Krishna bhakti? Even we have no need dharma, artha, Kamo, moksha, mukti. No need. Well, 5 types of mukti also. Our scripture explains how many types of mukti, liberation? 5. Eh? You can write. Upside down. Eh? Eh? Another person can write. Who will write? Eh? Whose handwriting good?
Ai, que letra bonita aqui.
Eh? Okay. Ready?
Diz aí.
No, another side?
Tem outro lado. Não, dá outra vez.
Okay, so clean.
Não pode apagar.
Eh?
There's another one. Save another one.
Another one. So, 5 types of mukti. Salukya, Sasti, Samipya, Sarupya and Sajijya mukti. You understand? Do you have notebook or not?
Vocês não têm caderno para escrever?
So, 5 types of mukti. Eh? Mukti, actual, what is the meaning of mukti? Mukti means free from bondage. Bandhan mukti. Eh? That is called mukti. Conditional soul bondage with Maya. That is called Maya Bandha. Then Bandhan. Bandhan means bondage. Which bondage we do like or which bondage we don't like? Some bondage good for our pleasure. Which bondage good for pleasure?
Servant of king.
The turban of the king. That is called Raja Sirastrana. King, when he put the turban, a turban, sometimes put turban or not. Now it is topi. Now the hat. But turban, that is Sanskrit word, that is called, what did he say? Sirastran. Sirastran. Sira means head, Tran means protect. That means protect our head. That is called Sirastran. That the workers, those who are working in the builders, understand, building, they putting also what? And helmet. Actual helmet. When you driving the scooter, also putting that helmet. That is called also Sirastran. And protect your head. King also puts his turban. That is called Sirastran. That is Sanskrit word actually. That is called Raja Mukuta. Raj Mukut. What is Mukut means? Royal crown. Royal crown. The Raj Mukut. Raj Mukut, Sirastran, same things. So, Raj Mukut they say. King put their Sirastran, that is good part. That is called also Bandhan. Bandhan your head. Cover your head. That is Bandhan. That Bandhan, that is called pleasure. Understand it? Or another Bandhan, which Bandhan is unhappy and distress, what is word? If the police handcuff, that is also Bandhan. That Bandhan called Dukhdai. Dukhdai means unhappiness. Look, both Bandhan, but one Bandhan bondage is give the pleasure, happiness, or another bondage giving unhappiness. So here bondage, two kinds of bondage. One is called Maya Bandhan, or another is called what Bandhan? Prema Bandhan. Prema Bandhan. You understand? At the time of marriage ceremony, that is called also Bandhan. Bride and bridegroom, two hands bind with the, what is it called? String. Thread. That is called Prema Bandhana. And one is Maya Bandhan, another is called Prema Bandhan. Who married? When you married, that time Brahmana. Understand? Brahman what is doing? The bind the two hands of bride and bridegroom. That time they are very happy. That Sanskrit word that is called Vivaha Bandhan. Look this. Vivaha Bandhan. The bondage of marriage ceremony. Vivaha Bandhan. And that bandhan is how long is it? Maybe 2 minutes, 5 minutes. When they are finished, then give up. That is also in this material world, that bandhan also giving the pleasure to wife and husband, bride and bridegroom. And another bandhan, I say, when police, police bind your hand, that is called handcuff, that is also unhappiness, distress. Bandhan is same, but different activities. One is called prema, or another bandhan I told, prema bandhana. That prema bandhan anywhere, transcendental world, Chit Jagat, Vaikuntha prem, Vayudha prem, Dwaraka prem, Mathura prem, Golok Vrindavan prem. That is prema bandhana. In this prema bandhana, the bondage of divine life, that is giving the happiness. Because without love, you cannot attain to the spiritual world. Then, if you want to go, spiritual world need prema, and that prema bandhan is coming. The bondage of divine love. And in this material world, because already compared material bondage and transcendental bondage. Jada bandhan or aprakita bandhan. So jada bandhan, material bondage, they are giving the distress and unhappiness. A transcendental bondage giving happiness. Actually, transcendental bondage, who is bonding? That is called Yogamaya. Then again discuss this bondage coming from two ways. One bondage is coming from Mahamaya, or another bondage is coming from Yogamaya. You understand? Very simple. One by one I told. Explain to you. What is using bondage? Bandhan. But one bandhan with Maya, that is called Maya bandhan, is material world. Bandhan, Maya Devi. She binds it to us. Understand? 3 ropes she binds to us. That is called Sattva, Raja, Tamaguna. And Sattva, Raja, Tamaguna rope, Maya Devi she binds to us. Just I told, Vivaha Bandhan, bondage ceremony of marriage bandhan. But that marriage bandhan who did? Brahmana. And Brahman, these 2 hands of the bride and bridegroom and bind. that is called Vivaha Bandhan. Actually, this Vivaha Bandhan also made by the Mahamaya, not Yogamaya. Because in this material world, all kinds of bandhan, bondage by Mahamaya. A transcendental world, Aprakita Chit Jagat, that bondage by Yogamaya. And that bandhan, bondage coming in the prem, in prema bandhan that is called. In this material world, Mahamaya bandhan, that is called Kama bandhan. A transcendental world bandhan, that is called prema bandhan. Look this, simple way. Again, use with this word. Different words we are using. One is called Kama bandhana. In this material world, different Kama means material desires. That is called Kama bandhana. Kama means desires, different desires. Understand? I will become learned scholar. That is Jnana bandhan. Understand? If you acquire a lot of knowledge, that knowledge also will bind to you. That is called bondage. You are this thing. Then coming in Rajaguna. I am learned, I am scholar. Understand? That is actually the bondage. I have vast of knowledge, or others they are stupid, nonsense, rascal. Coming or not this? When you acquire the vast of knowledge, then automatically these types of egos come. And actually that is called his word, bondage actually. You are thinking I am learning, actually you are bondage with Maya's Rajaguna, Tamaguna, bondage, and Maya 3 ropes, Tamaguna. Tamaguna bandhan, calm, lust, anger, jealousy, enviousness, that is his word, Tamaguna bandhan. Sattaguna bandhan coming, the bondage of mood of goodness, and I am very quiet, and Sattva Saucha, this is coming from Maya's Sattaguna. Understand this? Everybody will give me respect, and understand? This is actually coming from Maya's Sattaguna. That is also bandhan. For this regard, sometime I told the 3 dogs. Maya's 3 dogs. How many dogs? 3 dogs. Maya 3 dogs. One is called Tamaguna dog, another is called Rajaguna dog, and third is called Sattaguna dog. Look at this. One day I told the story, you know or not? You understand? 3 dogs of Maya. And Sattaguna dog, Rajaguna dog, or Tamaguna dog. Very nice, beautiful story I told you. Who knows? Everybody. Who did not know, raise hand. Oi, Fala, what is your name? Ariana. You know? No. Listen, very nice katha. In India, there is one very big, nice, beautiful park. The park. So, on that the park, the 3 dogs, they are meeting together. One is Tamaguna dog, another Rajaguna dog, another Sattaguna dog. They are discussing to each other for their food. So 3 dogs, they discuss, nowadays everything is very crisis. Economical crisis. Economic crisis. So for this regard, very difficult to find out the food. Very fine. People, they eat everything. They not left anything in their plate. They are not. Generally, our Shastra explain, if you get some food on the plate, you should not eat everything. At least 5 grains, 5 grass, you have to left in the plate, not to eat everything is licking. Not completely clean. For 5 persons, you have to left some your remnants. Understand? Shastra saying this way. Panchagras. Not just getting and everything will eat. Indian Vedic culture this way. And you should not eat everything. You have to, the 5 grains have to lift for whom? For first they give for the some birds. Second for what is called ants. Third for dogs or other animals. Fourth for some fish or that things. Or fifth for others, rest of animals. Shastra saying this. Because they are expecting for your remnants. Because they have no job. They have to eat something. Understand? So for this regard, in our Shastra also explained, when you eat, should not eat everything. At least how many? 5 grains and 5 grass. Absolutely. Panchagras. A stuff of it. That is Sanskrit word, that is grass. And 5 stuffs of it. You have to punch. So sometimes people also, I look in India, those Smarta Brahmana, before eating, they also 5 grass they are putting in outside their plate. Understand? Smarta Brahmana they are doing this. You are Smarta Brahmana? Yes. She knows, she is Smarta Brahmana. Brahmani. And before eating, your plate put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because sometimes you are very greedy, you will eat everything. For this regard, Smarta Brahmana, they are very careful. They give throw the first 5 foodstuffs for the 5 persons. So now coming in this way, 3 dogs, Sattva, Raja, Tama, Guna, 3 dogs, they discuss with each other. Nowadays, very economic crisis. So people are not throwing anything for others. They are not throwing the 5 foodstuffs under the plate. So for this regard, we are not getting food. Very rare to find out the food. Understand? Indian people after eating, that the plate throw on the garbage, then dogs are coming. Dogs, other animals are coming and just licking the plate. So for this regard, 3 dogs they discuss. We are not get anything. Very rare people left for us. So 3-4 days we are completely what? Full fast Ekadashi. Just a joke. In this way, they are discussing to each other. In the meantime, this park, sweet smell coming, because that park is very big. Oh, look, this sweet smell coming from where? Then they, oh, look, maybe 500 meters far, one very nice, beautiful ceremony is going on. That is called the marriage ceremony is going on that. Indian people, those who are rich people, their marriage ceremony means very aristocracy, you cannot believe. And in the park, they also build very nice, beautiful building with the cloth and bamboo. Understand? Because they're temporary building. Understand? Just couple hours they build. If you see that, as like big royal palace and 3-story, 4-stories, they are doing. Millions money they also spend. Especially those who are minister level people. Understand? Because minister level people means is what? Taking a lot of bribes. So that bribes how to spend. Actually this is the truth. Understand? They are not paying any penny. Minister, they are not paying anything. Just they corrupt the people. External thing, I will not take bribes, anything from you. Okay, today my daughter's marriage ceremony, just to give some feast. Understand? How much? Maybe 90 lakhs, but 1 crore. Understand? They are not saying, give me money. They are saying, I am not taking bribes from you. Okay, tomorrow my daughter's or my son's marriage ceremony, so you just give some feast. But how much? 90 lakhs, but 1 crore. This is true. Then they build very nice 3-stories building with the bamboo and cloth. Different color. If you see the little bit far away, you will, oh, how possible this way? Big building. You cannot imagine. Lighting, building. Thousand rupees they spend. So now coming there, 3 dogs will say, okay, go there. Maybe you will get some food there. But that place is very security guard. And whole area completely white and covered with the cloth. And understand? No one can enter inside. And also what is called? Fence, you know? And fence. And inside fence, iron fence, and outside they also with cloth, different cloths. Look like painting. So they coming. They are running here and there. Look how to enter. There is not so easy to enter in the place. And even general people cannot enter. Only those who are invited, guests. Those are guest card. And that guest card also security card, you know. And they say if you touch your card, then door will open, then you can go. Understand? As like airport, your what is called boarding pass, touch that, then the door open. Understand? Only who has boarding pass can enter. In the same way, that card system is there. So general people cannot go. So 3 dogs, they discuss. Even general people cannot go, how possible will go? We are dogs. And their card system also different. One is called, what is called? Guest card. Guest card in ground floor. Then a VIP card, 2nd floor. A 3rd floor, and special VIP card. Understand? So 3 dogs, how will go there? Impossible. Then they discuss, we can try, why not? Our endeavors, then Krishna's mercy. Okay. 3 dogs, they are running here, they are outside running, how to go? Then one dog find out, oh, that cloth is one small hole there. So that dog with his mouth, dog mouth a little bit narrow. So with a narrow mouth, he enter and he move. Then little bit big. Okay. So first, Tamaguna dog, understand? So Tamaguna dog, he entered inside. When he entered inside, oh, he became very surprised. He entered again. Which place? Ground floor. Who is coming? Which are they coming? Guest. And ordinary guest. Oh, there is so many things are there. Sweet, rice, dal, sabji, everything is prepared. Just waiting for the guest. So Tamaguna dog could not control his saliva. Very quick enter and try to eat something, because 3 days they did not eat. Rani. In the meantime, security guard he saw, hey, dog enter. Then he became very angry. Then he took one burning stick. Understand? Because nearby they are cooking, so burning stick he took and bitterly beat him. Then dog come. Running again, return back in the same hole and come out. Then 2 dogs, Sattva Rajaguna dogs, they are, hey, just you entered, are coming back, what happened? That dog, Tamaguna dog, did not tell that they beat me bitterly. Then do you know? I entered, and when I entered, then they gave me, very easy to give me. 2 words. Easy means, जाने के साथ ही साथ दे दिया मैंने. First I entered, they bitterly beat me. But he's saying opposite way. When I entered, they gave me very nice prasad. So I ate. So I have no need to wait. Oh, very good. So Rajaguna told, oh, you went ground floor, guest room. I will go VIP room. So Rajaguna dog entered inside. Then he avoided the guest room and coming in VIP room and first floor. And first floor VIP room, oh, very nice. Different kinds of sweet, laddu, kachori, mohan bhog. You cannot believe in Indian, what kinds of the very expensive sweets are there. And many kinds of also rice. You cannot, Indian people, they are cooking many kinds of rice. Understand? Palua, what is it called? Palau. Different. Very nice. Different rice, maybe 10 types of rice. And 10 types of sweets, 10 types of dal, everything is what prepared. Just they are waiting for VIP guest. This dog when enters and could not control his saliva. Just he is going to eat that thing. Then the same security guard he came. Hey, just I will bitterly beat you, again you come here. Then he became very angry and took some hot water. Understand? Took hot water and first beating and took hot water and throw his body. Bitterly beat him and give also hot water. Then come. Again running and come out from there the hole. This Sattaguna dog, he just he went and he will very quick come back. Yes, why not? When I enter, I have no need to wait. They gave me very quick, and also gave me everything garam. Garam, understand? Everything hot. Indian people, they are not eating the which is what is called cool. Actually, what they think that they get VIP room means it is way. And at the time they are cooking and giving. Take this. Understand? Especially puri, and at the time puri, garam puri. Garam is very hot. That is very testable. Understand? So he is saying, when I enter, they give me garam. Garam too means that they gave me very hot fruit. Rice, dal, because because that is was going on maybe 4 a.m. to going to the festival, and now maybe 12 o'clock. So this is also hard, and not garam garam. So for this regard, those who are VIP, there will be garam garam. Hey, take this. So for this regard, he told, they gave me garam garam. Garam garam means very hot. 2 minutes garam garam. Garam garam means Vitali beat me with the stick and also hot water. So garam garam. Then Satvik dog, he told, oh, you went VIP room. I will go special VIP room. Understand? Special VIP room. Where the minister level people are coming. One is called VIP room, or another is called special VIP room. That the minister people are coming. Understand? Minister people, they are not eating. Because they have no time. Just they are coming in the marriage ceremony, giving blessing and offering flowers, bridegroom blessing, then they go. Not more than 5 minutes there. They have no time. And if the minister will go, and in marriage ceremony, they have no time to wait for you. They cannot spend with them. Their time is very valuable. Understand? And that time they also give some gift. They are prepared before. Written in this gift for this minister, they are prepared with it. And they are not giving the hand of also minister. They are giving their PA. PA, understand? And what do you mean PA? Personal assistant. And who is very personal assistant of minister, they give. Minister not touching anything. Understand? Okay. So that is very nicely packed. Packing very nicely, nice covered, different design, and very expensive. And inside maybe little bit one laddu, or packing is what? You cannot do packing maybe 10,000 rupees only packing. Or laddus cost maybe 10 rupees or 100 rupees. One laddu, 100 rupees laddu, or packing 10,000. Understand? This is the aristocracy. Understand? Okay. So now Satyaguna dog is coming. And very small. Then he went, oh, very nice. I'll have to. Then same security guard came. Hey, first time you came, I bitterly beat you, ran away. Second time I will beat you and also throw the hot water. You ran away. Again you have come. Oh, you completely shameless. Sleeping. Hey. Maybe this dog belongs to our any guest. For this again in coming. I should not bitterly beat him. Little bit beat. Not so much. Only that slap. Then cut him. And cut and bind with the rope. The same dog is coming 2 times, 3 times. It is better until finish our ceremony. Then we leave. So for the security guard, first slapped, then bind with the rope and put in there. 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours passed. Are outside, 2 dogs there waiting. Oh my God! Satvik dog, he went but he did not come back. What happened? Their mind very disturbed. They realized themselves, but they did not tell to anyone. Then 3 hours, what happened? After 3 hours, the Satvik dog come back. That time they asked, hey, you went long time, 3 hours, what you did there? Then Satvik dog, he told, listen, I went there. They don't, because I am their best friend. And so long time I did not meet with them, and they also did not meet with me. For this regard, they are saying, oh my friend, you have come here. How possible I immediately give to you? Go to you, allow permission to you? No, you have to take. They have so much embrace bind to me. Bind to me means with their love bind, Premabandha. She said, don't want to allow to me go. You take, oh my friend, stay here. And when all the people go out, then both we take prasad and speak some love and affection. So for this regard, they did not allow to me come out. For this regard, I am staying there. Actual what is that? He did not tell, and they beat me and bind with the rope. Actually, what is the purport? Maya's 3 ropes bind to the Sattva, Raja and Tama. Tamaguna, Maya's Tamaguna, people completely suffering. Lust, anger, that is all coming from Maya Tamaguna. One day I told, lust, anger, that is a direct manifestation for Maya Tamaguna. Understand? 2 things, lust and anger. Lust only to suffer yourself. Or anger, suffer yourself and also others. Understand? So Maya Tamaguna destroyed this thing. So Maya Tamaguna dog, that is lust and anger, suffering, bondage, again and again, coming in. Or Maya Rajaguna, what is the Rajaguna? Patience, mood of patience, ahankar. And I am learned, I am scholar, I am rich. This types of is called Rajaguna. There is your false egos coming. Ego. So much ego comes. That is also bandhan. Or Maya Sattaguna, or the Sattaguna. And helping the people, charity, donation. Actually, this is also bandhan. If you help the mundane people, that is also bandhan. But why? Because you also give charity, donation, then again you have come in this material world and also enjoy these things. These are actually Maya 3 guna, Sattva, Raja, Tama, both 3 also are wandering same cycle of routine. So how do you free from this? Traigunna Visaya Veda Naisturgunna Bhavarjuna. Krishna told, Vedas also discuss about 3 guna, Sattva, Raja, Tama guna. But hey Arjun, you have to become beyond of gunas. They are saying this Bhagavad Gita. What is it? Trigunna Visaya Veda Naisturgunna Bhavarjuna. Hey Arjun, you have to beyond of Maya's 3 guna. No Sattva guna, Tama guna. Maybe you are going to say Sattva guna is good, helping the people, charity, donation. Well, why this bandhan? But this is also bandhan. This is the bandhan, bondage. And Naistar Gunna, you give same charity, donation, serve to Guru, Vaishnava, Bhagavan. That is called free from Maya, bondage. Look this. Look this. If you have money, that money serve to Guru, Krishna, Bhagavan. That is free from Maya. Or same money, if you spend for the mundane people, charity, donation, there is the bondage coming. Sattva bondage. Understand? Bandhan. So now comes, for this regard, I also explain. And different bandhan, bondage. But which is the best bandhan? Bondage? That is called prema bandhan. And karma kanda, gyan kanda, sakali visher bhanda, omrid boliya khai, kadarja bhakshan kare, nana jani bhramiya more. Prem Bhakti Chandrika. Narottam Das Thakur explain karma bandhan, jnana bandhan, the bondage of karma, the bondage of jnana. Karma kanda, karma bandhan, karma kanda, jnana kanda, sakali visher bhanda. All these is what? Full of poison. Or one would think I am drinking. Actually they are drinking the useless. So karma kanda, jnana kanda, sakali visher bhanda, amrid boliya je khai, kadarja bhakshan kare, nana jani bhrami more. They will suffer many And, but if you do bhajan sadhan to Krishna, that is called beyond of Maya's guna. That is called nirguna. Okay? Look this. Bhagavad Bhakti. Eh? So give up the karma kanda, jnana kanda. Only except what? Bhakti kanda. And Vedas, actually Vedas discuss three things. Karma kanda, jnana kanda and bhakti kanda. I am writing this book also. Karma kanda, jnana kanda and bhakti kanda. Bhakti kanda means how to practice devotional service to Lord. Vedas discuss these things. And how to serve different ways to serve to Lord. Vedas also explain karma kanda, jnana kanda, how to get liberation. But bhakti kanda, how to worship to Lord. This. So why I am saying? Because the anartha, just I have to say no artha, anartha, which is completely what? Unwanted things. So I discuss artha and anartha. Artha means, what did he say? Need. Prayojan. Anartha means unwanted. Prayojan, what is your prayojan? Prayojan means need. Krishna prem. Krishna prem prayojan. Krishna samandha prem prayojan. And our Shastra, Bhagavad discourses three things. What is it called? Hola? Samandha, avidya and prayojan tattva. Three tattva. Samandha tattva Krishna. How to make relationship with Krishna. That is samandha tattva. Avidya tattva. How to attain our perfection goal. That is called process. That is called bhakti. Or third prayojan. Prayojan with prem. How to attain the prem. So say samandha, avidya and prayojan tattva. So now coming in this way, anartha, unwanted things. How many types of unwanted things? Four. Before I forgot to tell today, even the mukti, actually I discussed about the mukti. 5 types of mukti. Salukka, Sasti, Sarupa. What do you write? Salukka, Samippa, Sarupa, then Sasti, Sajujya. But in this comes Sajujya mukti should be rejected. Sajujya means oneness with the potency of Lord. That Sajujya mukti should be rejected from us. So now how much? This side? 4. Understand? First, Salukka. You wrote Salukka. Salukka means to stay in the same planet of Lord. That is called Salukka mukti. Salukka, Salukka. Same planet of Lord. That is called Salukka mukti. Then Samippa. Samippa means stay very close to Lord. Very close to Lord. That is called Samippa. Or then Sarupa mukti. Some the same rupa form of Lord. Lord has 4 hands. Sankara Chakra Gada Padma. If you go Vaikuntha Dham, also you will get this form of Sankara Chakra Gada Padma. But Lord Narayan has 2 things you cannot get. What is it? Phala. Vigulanchita Padachinna. And also one Sivatsa Chinna. And one very small golden line on the chest of Lord Narayan. Understand this thing. But other things you can get. Sankha Chakra Gada Padma. And same face of Lord, beautiful, attractive, these things. But 2 things you cannot get from Lord. Remember, that is called Bhigu Pada Lanchita Chinna. Or another Sivatsa Chinna. No, Sivatsa Chinna, that is called Sri means Lakshmi, Lakshmi. The Lakshmi Devi is staying in the chest of Lord as like a golden line. Another things also, money we get, but Kaustubh money only Lord will get. You can get another money, in the neck, you can get different necklace or these things. But Lord money, that necklace, that is called Kaustubh money. You cannot get. You can get Sankha Chakra Gadapadam, but that name is different. Understand? Lord Narayan Gada, clubs, is different names. That clubs you cannot get. So now coming there. That is called, what did I say? Sarup. Then last, for fourth, Sasti. Sasti means Oishwarya. Oishwarya, many times of, Oishwarya, opulence you get, many kinds of facilities you can get here. So, Mukti, this Lord will give these 4 types of Mukti. So, but Lord will not give you Sajujya Mukti. Sajujya Mukti. So, Srimad Bhagavad Krishna says, but those who are my pure devotee, Diyamana na grindanti mat sevanam jana. Those who are my pure devotee, even I will give that the 4 types of Mukti is here. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means. But those are pure devotees, they don't want to take. And how possible they will receive the Sajujya Mukti oneness with the potency of Lord? They will not. Then again, actually we might make the number 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, just 1, 2, 3, 4, and there 5. So 5 number Mukti, devotee can. And Lord will not give also, and no one also take. Only impartialist demons, they will go there. So now come the fourth to 1, but 1 to 4th. Saluppa, Saruppa, Samippa and Sasti. These types of Mukti also again 2 types. One is called Sukha Oishwarya Uttara, or another is called, right, Prema, what do you say? Prema Seva Uttara. Just right. No, you can write this. Oh, now, what are 2, 3? Hey. Here. Actually, all these Mukti divided into, there is Oishwarya Sukha Uttara and Prema Seva Uttara. Understand? What is it? Sukha Oishwarya Uttara. Their happiness with the opulence. Or another is called Prema Seva Uttara. They are divine love with Krishna and servicing without any interest. That is called Prema Seva Uttara. So Vaikuntha again 2 types. Sukha Oishwarya Uttara and Prema Seva Uttara. Prema Seva. Sukha Oishwarya Uttara. They don't want. Maybe a question, how possible if Vaikuntha, the happiness coming? Sukha means happiness. Actually, that is called, if you serve, automatically you feel also happiness. That is called Seva Sukha. Then Atma Nivedan Tu Apade Kari Hoinu Param Sukhi. और दुख दूरे गेलो चिंता ना रोइलो चौधरी के आनंद देखी আত্মনিবেদন তুয়া পদে করি হইনু পরম সুখী দুঃখ দূরে গেল চিন্তা না রহিল চৌদিকে আনন্দ দেখি Bhaktivinoda Thakur. If you surrender to Guru and Krishna and serve also, then happiness coming. Seva, sukha coming. And if you serve, then your happiness will come in your heart. Then one kinds of you eating, sleeping, also happiness coming. Or another, if you serve to someone, also happiness coming. That is called seva sukha. So the prema seva, prem seva. In Vaikuntha Dham, prem seva is there also. And as like Hanuman is the perfect example of prema seva uttara. At Vaikuntha or Golok Vrindavan, that is seva is your highest level. That is also seva, prem seva. That prem seva, daso, vasallo, sakho, madhurja, that seva. Gaur Premanandi. I did not see that now. And the Arati finished or not? You did not Arati? Okay, now Arati, then take a quick Arati. Good.
Shri Gurudev ki jai.